What is FIRST? FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition in Science and Technology. It was started by Dean Kamen, inventor of the Segway, with the goal to incorporate science and technology into after-school programs. FIRST is a robotics organization consisting of individual robotics programs like FLL, First LEGO League, FTC, First Tech Challenge, and FRC, First Robotic Competition. FIRST also opens up the door to many different types of engineering opportunities. I'll let Mr. Hall tell you about that though.
Getting to see some of these kids develop and grow, sending them to college, hopefully with scholarships.
How about we introduce you to the team? First we have the sophomores, Matt, Caleb, Jason, Ben, and Steven. Next come the juniors, Ahmed, Mateo, and Adam. Finally we have the top dogs, the seniors, Joe, Carl, Brandon, and RJ. We couldn't have made this possible without our great mentors, Mr. Wendt, Mr. Jaworski, Mr. Hall, Mr. Binder, Mr. Kreis, and Mr. Hilberger. And then of course our non-engineering members, Mrs. Jaworski, Mrs. Jarecki, and Mrs. Rennie, take care of the team's finances. We received the game in the first week of January, and from that point on, we have 44 days to build a robot to compete in that game. During this time period, we brainstorm, design, and build and program a prototype robot in which we make any modifications or any tweaks we need to before we go out and produce the actual competition robot. Here are some pictures of our finished competition robot right before it went into the shipping crate. We also participate in the community. We volunteer at the Lego Club run at the Civic Center. We volunteered at the Crown Point Community Foundation. We participated in the 4th of July parade. We volunteered at the Volunteer Night. We acted as judges in the first LEGO League competition. We also shoot off t-shirts at the Crown Point High School football games. And we have our presentation night where we show off our robots to all sponsors who have donated to us over the course of the season. We're always looking for new sponsors and for donations. It doesn't have to be of monetary value. It can simply be parts we need, or simply your time. We're always looking and encouraging new mentors to come in to see what we do and to help us out with problems we have.